Hey everyone, welcome back to 405 Tractor here in Edmond, Oklahoma. Today we're excited to show you the all-new TYM 4058 cab tractor. And let me tell you, this thing is packed with features that take performance, comfort, and technology to a whole new level. Let's start under the hood. The 4058 is powered by a TYM-built Tier 4 turbocharged diesel engine, designed in-house for fuel efficiency, low emissions, and long-term reliability. You get approximately 58 horsepower at the engine, with a PTO rating around 48 to 50 HP, making this perfect for everything from heavy brushwork to baling hay inside the cab. This tractor is all about control and comfort. You've got a power shuttle with D-clutch, so if you're doing a lot of loader work or tight maneuvering, you can change directions without ever touching the clutch pedal. Makes loader work smoother, faster, and easier. Once you're in the seat, you'll notice the suspension seat, tilt steering wheel, and a crisp digital instrument panel that gives you everything you need at a glance. TYM didn't cut corners here. This cab is designed for full days in the field without the fatigue. Need to get work done early or late? No problem. The 4058 features a front LED work light bar for great visibility, even in low light conditions. On the rear, you've got an external hitch switch, so you can hook up your implements without having to climb back into the seat every time. And check this out. This tractor comes with 6 front and rear hydraulic ports and a 2-button joystick, which makes operating attachments like grapples or snowplows quick and easy. One of the coolest features is the MyTYM telematics system. This gives you remote diagnostics, real-time monitoring, and keeps your maintenance schedule on track. It's like having a service tech in your pocket. So if you're looking for a tractor that gives you power, precision, and comfort, the TYM 4058 cab needs to be on your radar. And the best part, it's here now at 405 Tractor in Edmond. Come see it for yourself at 6700 North Industrial Boulevard in Edmond, or give us a call at 405-792-2244. We'd love to get you behind the wheel.